welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first time making our first video and we have decided that we're gonna make something that we love to eat. And what is it?
Nutella roller.
Nutella roller! These are the ingredients that you need. So what's this?
Sugar.
Sugar. What's this?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Nutella.
Nutella, yummy.
Some bread.
Some bread.
Some milk.
Milk. And what have you done there already?
Eggs. Now Nutella.
I'm already regretting this.
Do I look cute?
This is definitely no professional.
Serious, don't touch the pen.
Recommend them? Easy to make? Thanks everyone for watching. Hope it's been helpful. Hope you enjoyed making your Nutella roll-ups. I will put the recipe below and yeah, enjoy.